Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Sage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Sage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as sage.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And now we are in the official website of Sage. Now to log in, tap on this login button which is on the top right of the screen. And here you can see all the different products provided by Sage. Now tap on the product that you're looking for to log into. Then you will face a form asking for your email and your password. So go ahead and type your email in the text field given for email. Then type your password in the text field given for password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on Forgot Your Password text. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on Sign Me In button and you'll be successfully signed in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.